y'all, look what I found on the porch. Look what I found on the porch. It's a kitty baby. It's a little kitty baby. I can't believe I got a kitty baby from the porch this morning. I can't keep this kitty baby. And I can't let this kitty baby live on the street. She's so cute. Kitty baby, don't go in that hole. What? Hey. My car is a mess. Kitty baby's in the car. I'm gonna take her to the Humane Society. I keep saying kitty baby and her, but I think kitty baby has testicles. So kitty baby is a he. I love kitty baby. I just can't have a cat in the house right now. Ah! Are you gonna go sheepy on ZZ's blanket? Oh, he's precious. Oh my God. Are you gonna go sleepy? Oh. Cat baby is a sleepy baby. I'm taking cat baby to my barn house for 30 minutes or so before the shelter opens. And then cat baby will go and I'm sure be adopted because cat baby is so freaking cute. I have surprised John. He's still in bed with the kitty cat. John, what did you think when you saw me with a kitty cat?
I said, what has she done? Where has she obtained this cat? But he's so cute. Oh,
the kids are really going to be vexed that they missed this.
Oh my God, they're going to be so mad you didn't keep it.
I know. The kids are at school and the cat must go to the shelter because he must.
We're both slightly allergic.
We are.
Yes.
Are your sinuses getting a little sinusy?
Yeah, I already sneezed.
My eyes are a little itchy.
Yeah, mine too. But he's so cute.
I know.
Stay away from him.
We're dedicated animal lovers, so we can take this bullet to get this cat into a quality shelter.
Yeah, he's got beautiful markings. I think he'll get adopted in about 5 minutes.
Exactly. That's a wrap on today's kitty baby rescue. Kitty baby, I feel very good about this. We went to the Amherst County Humane Society. I usually go to Lynchburg Humane, but Amherst County Humane opened earlier today than Lynchburg City. And kitty baby did have some fleas and was eventually going to have to go pee or poop. So I wanted to go the place that opened soonest. They're both about kind of the same distance away from where I was at. Anyway, I was like, he's super friendly, but he does have some fleas. And she was like, oh, I'll take care of that. So kitty baby is well on his way to that flea-free shelter life, looking to find a forever home.